Gotta flip it. It's gotta be done. Can't start a video with flat hair, y'all. Hi, I'm Jennifer. If it's your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around. If you are a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Normally, we do shop the sales on Mondays, but I have to tell you, there's really nothing new on sale at the drugstore. I mean, they alternate. This is on sale this week, this is on sale next week. We've kind of run the gamut on those, and I'm tired of doing them for a little while. So I'm going to take a break. So today I'm just going to do a little chatty get ready with me, show you a little technique I'm experimenting with that I have not yet perfected. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't. Let's play makeup. All right, we are nice and zoomed in. Let's pin this hair back and get started. Little eye primer, I'm just using the NYX. High Definition Eye Primer. This is actually not my favorite one. I like the, I think the other, this is not actually my favorite eye primer. I have one actually from Wet n Wild that I like better, but for whatever reason, I grabbed this one today. Okay, for whatever reason, lately I have fallen back in love with this Death by Chocolate palette from Makeup Revolution. It seems like when I first got it, I didn't really like it, and then I used it a couple of times, and then I liked it, and I didn't. Maybe I'm fickle, I don't know, but lately I've been really enjoying it. Here you go. I've probably used it 4 or 5 times just in the last week. So, that was a pointless story. I'm going to take the lightest shade here and just go all over the lid and up into the crease to set down that eyeshadow primer. Yesterday was Sunday and all of my brushes got a nice bath. They needed it. Sometime over the weekend, I watched a video by Wayne Goss. I think it might have been last night. And he showed a pretty cool technique for hooded eyes, which mine are. So I'm going to give that a try, and I will try and remember to link his video below because he's much better at it than I am. But interestingly, he started with the shade on the lower lash line. So I am going to use this, I don't know what you call this color. I just stuck my finger in the palette. It's gray, it's green, it's grayish. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. It's pretty on my green eyes. Little Sonia Kashuk precision pencil brush. You may notice I'm not going all the way in. I'm going to 2/3 away across to kind of keep that eye open, and I'm going up to there. Does that show? I can't tell. That gives you kind of a guide to where you need to meet those shadows up. I have a feeling this is going to be a very disjointed sort of video because it's hard to explain something I'm just now trying for the first time myself. Okay, moving on. One of the things that Wayne Goss said is to look in the eye and straight on in the mirror, don't raise your brows, and find the highest point of your eye, which is usually right above the pimple. Not above the pimple. My eyes don't have pimples. Right above the pupil. So, there. And you make a little dot right there. Barely see it, but it's there. There's a little dot right there. He calls this the straight line method. I am nervous. I'm not sure I can make this work, but let's try it. So you want to go straight out from that point, or even slightly up, but not down. And pretty much to the end of the brow. So there. Make sense? Lord, I hope so. My line is not quite straight. The dog is thirsty. Can you hear that? All right, let's blend that a little bit. See what it looks like. It's a little patchy. So I'm just going to keep working on that and coloring that in and blending, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have that mostly blended, and now I'm going to add another color on my lid. In his video, he didn't do this, but he was working on a much more hooded eye than I have. So I'm going to go in with this shade. On the bottom, it's kind of an almost silvery, kind of almost silver. I don't know what to call it. The dog is eating in the background now. I love my zoo. I do. I do. The dog. All right, I'm going to go back in. He used a flat push brush, and mine are all upstairs, so I'm going to attempt to line a tiny bit with this Sonia Kashuk brush with that same color we were using, the darker color. And again, not going all the way across. It's going just about as far as the color on the lower lash line. I neglected to blend under my lower lash line, so I'm going to do that real quick because I don't want a harsh line. All right, I'm going to see what I can do about replicating this on the other eye, and I'll be right back. I am having a heck of a time getting this to blend today, and I did use this palette twice this weekend. I think it's that eyeshadow primer I just used, so I think I'm not going to use it anymore. Now let's move on. I'm going to give my eyelashes a quick curl and come right back. Okay. I am going to do just a little tight lining in the upper lash line with this, what is this? This is the vintage liner pencil that we got in the most recent BoxyCharm. Let's see how this goes. Something else I have discovered in my many years of makeup is that if you have trouble with your eyelashes not holding a curl, use waterproof mascara. It's oil-based. Non-waterproof mascara is water-based. And what does water do to curls? It goes, you're welcome. Okay, that's it for my lips today. I went with a kind of natural look. I used the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color Too Cute. No lip liner. I just felt like having sort of a natural lip today. I hope you enjoyed this. It was fun. I think I might do some more of these, kind of looking at other expert YouTubers and seeing what they're doing and trying to replicate it, maybe. I don't know. I have a thought, and this is not the time or place, but I can't not say it. No one needs an assault rifle. You shouldn't be able to buy them. You shouldn't be able to get them. I don't care who you are, and I don't care what the Second Amendment says, frankly. No one needs an assault rifle. My children, your children, everyone's children deserve to go to school and be safe. I'm not naive. I know that banning one particular type of rifle will not solve the problem. The problem is multifaceted and multi-layered, but it's a start, and it needs to happen. Okay, I apologize for that. No, I don't. I don't apologize for that. I know this is a makeup channel, but I have opinions sometimes, and they may be unpopular, and that's just the way things are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you have not yet subscribed, you will consider doing so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't give me a thumbs down. That's just mean. I know, it's there for a reason, but I don't like it. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.